Greetings, Ethiopia Wadu here with my brother Bomani. We have had the most wonderful time. Ghana, Benin, and Togo, now Ethiopia, Africa for the Africans. We got it going on like that.
Absolutely, family, and we're here with Brother Yao, Ambassador Yao. Yeah, I wanted to let the folks get a good introduction from you. We just got to Ethiopia and we're still just getting settled.
I'm happy to be here and happy to welcome Brother Bomani, who's a wonderful brother, and hopefully in next year he's going to be bringing a lot of you here. This is a wonderful and unique place. Ethiopia is known for its freedom and known for working to have other African countries be free. And you can come here and you can see a people that were never colonized, a people that were never conquered. So you can see what an African people would be if they didn't have European influence. And that's a fine thing, and it's something that will help to instill pride in you, help to instill confidence in you, and for people around the world also, because people around the world need to see, you know, what Africans can do. And there's a wonderful Olmec head over there. Whoa, look at our African Olmec head. Whoa.
That's awesome. And family, we'll give you a zoom.
I go. There's an African Olmec head over there. Yeah. So Mexico gave us that Olmec head. And that Olmec head is from...
Is that really the one that came from Mexico?
Yes. From 1500 BC when the Olmec came, when the Africans went to Mexico and built pyramids there.
Can we go closer and take a look at
I think so, yeah. And that's why we have a square named Mexico.
So how did they get into Ethiopia? What's the story?
Because Mexico did something great for Ethiopia, and they wanted to continue to show that they love and respect Ethiopia, so they gave us an Olmec head.
And there was a big earthquake in Mexico, I think, and Ethiopia made a great contribution to it. So they had this relationship. They might be poor, but they show love and hospitality and support.
Oh, yeah, so I don't know all the reasoning behind that, because what happened is during the Italian occupation that you just mentioned, they asked the League of Nations, League of Nations at the time, Italy asked them to make the Italian dictator emperor of Italy. And there are a few countries that said, no, we're not going to do that, and that's not right. And Mexico was one of those countries. So that's why there's a square here in Ethiopia that's named Mexico Square.
Absolutely. And Ambassador Yao, we're here at the National Museum of Ethiopia. What's the main thing that we're going to see here?
Well, the main thing that we're going to see here is called Diknish. And Diknish is known as Lucy, and that is some of the oldest fossilized remains of human people that you will find. And what that does is that shows without a doubt that humanity started here in Africa, specifically humanity started in East Africa, and even to get even more specific, humanity started here in Ethiopia. And that's one of the main things that you're going to see here. Besides, and you're going to see the throne of Haile Selassie also. So these are thrones, and you're going to see coronation outfits of Haile Selassie and Emperor Menelik. So you're going to see some of we call it the King of Kings, conquering Lion of Judah, the Lord of Lords, King of Kings, conquering Lion of Judah, Haile Selassie. So that line goes back 3,000 more years. It goes back to the King David, they called that line, actually.
That's powerful. That was powerful. The birth of civilization. Family, can you believe it? We're here in Ethiopia, Revolutionary Camp, Bomani Timber and the crew. We're here and we're excited. We're definitely looking forward to bringing you here November 2018. Got a beautiful itinerary along with Tanzania. Family, come on, join the journey. And we're going to give you another piece of the vision and showing you that the Africans circumnavigated the globe and went to all parts of the Americas before any white folks did. You know, so for all you people out there that say that you're Latino and don't want to include the African influence in the Latinos, this is one of those representation. Before any white folks was in the Americas, we were there. Before they stole us and brought us to Africa, we were there before also. So family, connect with the roots and the culture. Once again, family, we're here in Ethiopia and we're here at the beautiful National Museum where we're going to connect you with some strong history.
Get through the rest. You don't want photo?
Yes, and this is one of our wonderful hosts. Hello, my sister.
Hi, my brother.